In this video, we are going to study either or and neither nor. Either or and neither nor when it is used. Either or. When two alternatives are given, write either before first and or before second alternative. Anytime the choice is given to you, then before first choice or first alternative, use either, and before another alternative, write or, and make the sentence. It is very simple to use. You do it or leave us. You do it or leave us. Do it or leave us. These are two alternatives. So where to use either? Before this do it, use either. Before this leave us, use or, and write a sentence. You either do it or leave us. You apologize to the whole class or we will tell the principal about it. Now, two things are given here. You apologize to the whole class. Apologize or we will tell you. So, how to write the answer? You either apologize to the whole class or we will tell the principal about it. In this way, it is very simple to use either or in the sentence. Neither nor. Neither nor is used for negative sentence. Remove do not, does not and did not from the given sentence. Use SES or past tense of the action verb accordingly. Means whatever negative word is there, we have to remove from the sentence because we are using neither and nor. It itself is a negative word. And if any change in action verb, that also we have to do according to the tense. Remove to if there in the sentence. Now these are the basic rules. Now rules one by one. Rule number 1. If both the clauses have same subject and verb, use neither after the verb and use or in the place of repeated subject and verb. If both the clauses are having same subject and verb, then where we have to use neither? After the first verb, we have to use neither, and in the place of repeated subject and verb, we have to use nor and write the sentence. He can't sing, he can't dance. He can't and he can't is the same part. Sing and dance is different part. After this verb, we have to use neither. He can't. So, negative word we have to remove. So, how will be the answer? He can neither sing nor dance. Second example, he does not like to play, he does not like to study. Does not like to play and does not like to study is a different part, and instead of this negative word we have to use neither. Instead of this another negative word we have to take nor and avoid this repeated subject. So how will be the answer? He neither likes to play nor to study. Why we have taken here likes? Because here does not we are removing. So the present form of action verb we are using. So he neither likes to play nor to study. Rule number 2. If both the clauses have some subject but different verbs, use neither after the subject and nor instead of the repeated subject. If only subjects are same of both the clauses, then how to use neither nor? After first subject, before first subject use neither, after that subject use nor and write the sentence. For example, the villagers did not go out, they did not graze their cattle. Now, the villagers and the subject is same and only verbs are different. So, how to write the answer? The villagers neither go out nor graze their cattle. Here it should be went. The villagers neither went out nor graze their cattle, because here we are removing did not. So here went will come. The villagers neither went out nor grazed their cattle. Next example, the children were not doing their work. They were keeping silence in the class. They were not keeping silence. So weren't and weren't, both negative words are there. And they were not doing their work, they were not keeping silence. These are the two different parts. So how to write neither nor? The children were neither doing their work nor keeping silence in the class. Rule number 3. If the subject are different, use neither in the beginning and take another subject and use nor to complete the sentence. If subjects are different of both the clauses and other part is same of the sentence, then in the beginning only we have to use neither, take the subject, use nor, and immediately take another subject and complete the sentence. For example, I did not know this story, you did not know it too. Yeah, I and you are two different subjects, but remaining part is same, and we have to remove this past tense along with its negative word. So we have to make it past tense. Neither I nor you knew this story will be the answer. I couldn't manage the shop, he couldn't too. Means I and he are two different subjects. Other part is same. So in the beginning only, before this subject, we have to use neither. Neither I nor he could manage the shop. In this way, we have studied the rules of either, or, and neither, nor. Always keep in mind all these rules when the question is use either or use neither nor. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share.